students, today what we are doing actually, we are doing a revision on the creation of data frame. So students, whenever we are creating the data frames, we can do it in four ways. Okay, by using dictionary, by using a two-dimensional array using numpy, okay, using series as well as using another data frame object. So a separate data frame object also can be used as a creation of data frame. So the steps that are to be followed, so I'm showing you practically out here. Okay, so I'm just opening a file. Okay, this file has been opened, so I'm writing here creating a data frame using a dictionary. This is the remark. Okay, creating a data frame using dictionary. Okay, this is the program that we are creating. So what we have to do, we have to do it in a few steps are to be followed. Creating a dictionary in which each index is associated with a list of values. Each index will be associated with a list of value. If it is not so, in that case error might occur. Make sure that the each list contains the same number of items. All right, suppose you have given the first list 5 items, second list also to be contained 5. Pass the dictionary in the data frame method, thus your data frame will be ready. Okay, so I'm again doing the revision since we have done many classes on SQL, and also you are doing the practicals fine, and prepare yourself for the forthcoming examination, that is the midterm examination. So you are creating dictionary. So I've written the remark option. Now I have given dictionary. So my name of the dictionary is book details. Now what does it contain? It contains first of all author. Okay, so I am giving author out here. You see out here author, and then what the content of the author, that is to be given in a list. All right, so I'm giving here Ashish. Okay, and then say Barun. Okay, Barun, and then Sujay. Okay, Sujay. Okay, then Ravi. Okay, then Karan. Okay, sorry, Karan. All right, so one element has been created in the dictionary, so there's the list, and put a comma after this. All right, then it will come, you will see the index will cursor will follow the index from where we have started the element of the dictionary. That is the indication that you have written correctly. All right, so now the thing is that books. Okay, another thing is books. Okay, number of books maybe you can refer to. Okay, then put a colon and then give, say, number 6, first one 7, then 3, then 4, then 6. All right, that is second one is created, and the third one is that we are creating here, that is the country, which country that belongs to. So we are giving a country out here also. Sorry, then I'm pressing just simply enter, so we are coming over here, COUNTRY country, and then this one will be, we have to create it. So first of all we are giving out here India in capital, then say Italy, then say Australia, and then say Japan, and again say India. All right, say India. Okay, these 4 countries, 5 countries are there. Okay, now you see out here this thing has been created. If you want to give any more, you can definitely attach with this one, but finally whenever the dictionary will be closed, it will be closed with a curly brackets. Means you can see it has been highlighted. Okay, when I have given it, just Python editor does everything for me as well. Then press enter, come down to the next line. Now to create the data frame from dictionary. Okay, so I'm giving a remark out here for your understanding purpose, data frame, okay, from dictionary. So we are converting into object also only. All right, so what is, I'm going to take in a data frame object df1 equals to pd. Okay, pd dot, what is that, pd dot data frame. Okay, data frame. Okay, so the thing is that whenever we will write this, we have to create the import pandas as pd, that we will write, but we will write it later. Now book details I have given, book details is there, and then we will just do the print and then do df1. Right, so then what is happening, this has been created. The first one package to be imported that we have forgotten to, then import pandas as pd. Okay, and pandas as pd, this to be written first. Okay, otherwise pd will not be accessible from here. So the dictionary we have created, sorry, the data frame we have created. Let's see the output once. Okay, what will be the output? First of all, whenever it will be asked you for saving, you must save it. Okay, df1 from dictionary. So it will can understand find our df1 from dictionary. Just given the file name and click on save. All right, now see, this particular program will be executed right now, and the portions will be displayed. The output will be displayed. You can see how it takes little time. So by the time you can see out here how it has been and created. Okay, you see out here it has been appeared. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4. I told you also that data frame is a two-dimensional object, and it contains the rows and columns, and these are the index and these are the columns. You can say what we have taken out here, author, books and country. So one more, if you want, you can add it up also, doesn't matter. Okay, so this is also this is a creation of dictionary. So if you feel that okay, you would like to give the type of books, that also can be given out here, say type of books, type. Okay, suppose I've given type. Okay, and then we have given out here, say fiction. Okay, fiction, and then say novel. Okay, novel. Okay, then say stories, uh, stories, and then say comedy. Okay, then say uh, short stories you can give. Sorry, stories. All right, so I've created one more out here. So that is very dynamically you can add out here. That is the main thing in the in creating a data frame from dictionary. All right, so whenever you are adding this one, you have to be really very careful. Also, you can add as much as you want, you can add it up. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so what is happening, suppose if you want to add another column called cost. Okay, that also can be done out here. Okay, so let's see what error is happening out here. Invalid syntax, it is asking because we have forgotten to put a comma. So when the errors are coming, this can come in the error correction also. Okay, so you have to locate the error, what the error is, and you have to underline the error. Exam, there will be a section also for error correction. All right, so that's what you have to prepare for this. All right, so what is happening, you see out here, yes, that has been added. The type is fiction, novel, stories, comedies as well, and short stories. All right, these things are there. Okay, so whenever you are printing, whenever you are creating a data frame, it will be appearing in this way. Understood? So that's what you have to do it. Clear? So now the thing is that once it has been done, so we will move on to another program by clicking over here. So I'm showing you clearly the practical steps how this is to be done, and creating a data frame using a two-dimensional array. All right, so what we are doing, in fact, here the numpy array we will use. Okay, so we have to create the numpy object. So we are just going over here, file, new file. Okay, so then we are creating a two-dimensional array. Okay, creating a 2D array. Okay, creating a 2D array, which is also part of a data frame. Find creation of data frame. Creation of a 2D array and put it into the data frame. Okay, so what is happening out here? So here you have to import pandas as PD, pandas as PD. No, sorry, PD. You can write in capital also, doesn't matter. Import. Okay, numpy as np. All right, that is the thing. So now we are creating the array. Now say ar1, we are creating ar1. What is that? np dot, here we are putting a command. Okay, see, be very carefully, randomize. We are random. We are taking random means that the number will be generated in a random manner. Okay, rand int. Okay, rand int we are creating from where? From 7 to 89, any values to be created, and it will be arranged in three rows and 4 columns. So okay, that is the indication. All right, so that is the rand int function. So it is randomly generates the array. What does it do? Rand int randomly generates array elements. Okay, fine. So this has been created. So the values will be 7 to 89, and then we can change the range also, 3 and 4 columns. You can do it also. Okay, AR1, and now we will do that data frame object to be created. Okay, so what is happening? PD dot data frame. Okay, data frame. What we have to put? We have to put out here the data frame object. Okay, the what we put AR1. Okay, to be given inside. And now what we will do? Print df1. Okay, df1, simple. All right, very simply you should think out and then run it, execute it, and then here you have to create the array. You have to give the name df1. Okay, using numpy array. Okay, I used to give the file name in this way only because it is easy to access whenever I require. All right. So you also follow the same thing. You can see out here very easily. So the three rows have been created and four columns have been created. I can increase it also. You can say 4 by 4. That is also possible. You can simply, or you can change the this thing also. What you call, say I want from the 20 to 89. Okay. So run. I'm executing. Okay. Then run. I am running the file. Execution of the file takes place, and this is coming in this way. You can see a 4 by 4 matrix or an array form has appeared over here, having two index, and that having two things out here. That is, one is row. This is the row index, and this is the column index. Possible. All right. So in this way, you will be able to create. Okay, will be able to create the data frame. Okay, I can manipulate the data frame. Here is a command use we are using, that is a rand int, that is the randomly to generate the integers. That is the purpose of this rand int function. So you have seen this also, and now the thing is that I'm creating another, but by this time I will use the series. All right, that is the series I will create it. Okay, and then this one all I will put it into the data frame. Fine, by using a dictionary. This is quite easy program, and then say these are also easy. Okay, now see how the series to be taken and how it is to be created. Okay, so using series now, using series data. All right, now the thing is that creation of a data frame using series. Now you see how to do the things. So whenever you will do like this, create a few series with a data structure, the number of series will be the same as the number of columns in the required data frame. All right, so you cannot do so. Whenever the data frame comments will be given, it will be same. All right, so now the thing is that each series here represents a column of the resultant data frame. The number of elements in each series should be same. Pass a dictionary in the data frame method, and then you create it as usual. How you have learned here to create the data frame, create the series using data frame. In the same way, you put the series data into a dictionary and then print it, printed similarly. Okay, then pass that particular data frame, a particular dictionary into the data frame, and as you have learned out here, you do it in the same way. First of all, you see the how to create a series out here. I'm creating the series. Suppose the create series name is there, and then say several animals uh, has been given. Say it will given duck. Okay, duck, and then say rat. Okay, sorry, and then comma, then single quote, cat. Okay, string data to be given always in single quote, and then some like. All right, this has been created. Fine. So now name has been created. Now name equals to, okay, what is that? Pd dot series. Okay, pd dot series within bracket. What is to come? Name. All right, so that has been created. All right, so now you see out here name equals to pd dot series, then name. The series has been taken. All right, series is nothing, just a list. So I'm sorry that this has to be given in what you call in the square brackets to be taken, so that it has been converted into series. All right, name. Next we'll give, okay, next I will give the numbers. Okay, and num. Okay, so num, say I'm giving out here, say 1,000 ducks are there, 6,000 rats are there, 4,000 cats are there, and 3,400 snacks are there. All right, fine. Now say name, and then what is to be done, and then I'm giving out a num equals to, I can do so pt dot series. Okay, pt dot series within bracket I'm giving here num. All right, okay, so now it has been created, and here we have forgotten to give this one, import pandas, pandas as PD. All right, now this series also has been created. Now say I am creating out here. Okay, I am create out here. Okay, say um, types. Okay, types. All right, types equals to, I'm creating what is the thing? Duck, bird. Suppose like this, bird. Okay, okay, say mammal. Okay, say domestic, then say reptile. Okay, this one I have created. Fine, clear. types. Okay, and then again you put the types, you give pd.series, pd dot, you can take the different name also as well. I'm taking this one to understand nicely. So here types, out here types you can create. Okay, type you don't give, type is a command word. So be careful, types you can give but not type. All right, type is a command. Now this series, data series has been created, okay. Now you see data frame from series. I'm writing a remark. Okay, from series, series data. All right, I'm doing so data. Fine. Now the thing is that what I'm doing, df1 equals to, I'm just pt dot, okay, data frame. Okay, data frame, or you can create one thing, you can create the dictionary first, or you can put directly the dictionary into it. All right, after creation of the dictionary. So what is the thing here? I'm creating creating animals. Okay, animals. And then what I'm doing here, I'm giving, after giving colon, I'm giving out here the series name. What is the name of the series? Name. All right, so I'm not writing anything out here. Put just a colon and then what is happening, in fact, instead of creating the dictionary object separately, we are creating it directly. All right, that is the thing. All right. So animals name to be used. Okay, animals name, then comma, sorry, comma, then what to be given, next is numbers. Okay, numbers. Okay, how many are there, like this. Okay, then colon, then put the numbers. What is the number? In um. All right, then say what we are doing out here, it is types, typs. Okay, that types, animals types. Okay, types, then put a colon. Okay, don't confuse that I'm keep the same name, but it's okay, that's not a problem. Types, then what types are there? That's like types. All right, so the data frame has been created. All right, so what is happening, in fact, you have to give this dictionary within this one, and then I mean to say that curly braces you have to give within a pair of curly braces, then only the dictionary will be created. All right, now you can come out here and set the print df1. Okay, df1, clear. So now the thing is that, so we will run it over here. Now you see how I do. Okay, click on OK and say df1 from dictionary using series. I'm giving series. Okay, series data. Okay, using series. So it will be quite clear. Okay, so there's an error. Let's see what error has been occurred. Whenever the errors will come, so no need to be confused or get puzzled. Just go to the place where the error has been occurred. See here, the dot has been given. Typing error might occur. All right, it is quite natural. Okay, so you have to go there and you have to check it very nicely that what is actually happening. Now you see it has come out here. So your output at all cost will come only. Okay, you see the similar way it has been appeared. Okay, so that is the one. So this is one type, and another type also created in the same program can be done in this way also. Okay, whenever we are doing using series, so I'm copying this one, I'm taking it to another program by opening another file. All right, so now the thing is that difference, you will see that. So what we are doing, actually we are taking off this one. All right, fine, we are taking off this one by pressing by cut. Okay, so we are doing out here, we are creating a dictionary. So I'm giving the name of the dictionary object as what you call animals. Okay, animals. All right, animals equals to, then we are pressing it out here, then this has come over there. Okay, now inside we are giving out here animals. Okay, animals. Fine, this is another type. Okay, so you see out here the difference once, please. You see out here pd.series types, leave it, you come to the dictionary where you are creating the series from the series data. So we are creating the dictionary, inside we have passed the arguments. Okay, but here we have created the dictionary here, and then we have passed the dictionary, both are same thing. If you are executing this one also, you will get the same output as well. Okay, so there is no difference in fact. Okay, so df1 I'm creating using df1 data from a dictionary. Okay, so now the thing is that here you can see the output out here, the same thing has appeared over here, you can see, and I'm executing this one also, so you will be able to see and whether the output is different or not, and you will see the similar output has been appeared from both the programs. All right, so that is the thing. So this program has given you identical output. Okay, so this is actually the data we had passed, dictionary data we had passed into the data frame object, into the data frame method, okay, directly, and here in an indirect way. First we have created the dictionary, then the dictionary has been passed out here. Okay, that's what the difference is. The different programs can come in different manipulation and can be done. Okay, so the error correction, sometimes you will see that error corrections in the example exam has given. Suppose this animal is the dictionary, and someone has given it like this, like this. Okay, so then you might be asked what is the error in this particular program. Okay, so it will show you not the nature of error. Whenever you are executing it, it will show you error. Okay, so there is an error in the program. What is the error nature? That is invalid syntax. Syntax is not correct. So this particular thing that you have to see. Then you have to go back to the program. Then you have to find out first of all. So in the exam and all, you will not get the machine as we are getting out here. We are executing the thing, and we can understand easily that what is the error and where it is indicating. So the thing is that, but in program and all, such kind of errors will be given to you, and you have to find out by studying the program vividly, sorry, thoroughly. All right, so that is the thing. So these are very, very important for you. Okay, so you see I am executing the module right now. Okay, and it's how it is appearing. Okay, so you see these things. Okay, now it is all right. Okay, so these are the type of errors. Sometimes the comma will be removed, dots to be given out here. Sometimes the dictionary has been created in the this kind of normally appears. All right, that's the thing. Sometimes the string data are sorry, the numeric data, there will be quotes will be given. Usually the basically the this data, what you call the string data, there will be quotes. Those things will be kept into the quotes. So these are very, very important. Fine. So you have seen today that how the data frame to be created, implemented practically, and manipulate the data as I have shown you. Okay, how the different ways the program can be done. All right. So this is these programs also. I'll give it in the classroom also. Must follow the this YouTube. I will upload it in the YouTube. Then you follow the links and all, and go through it. Entire link you should watch. Okay. Then you will understand what is exactly being done. This is similar class timing. So as you follow the class, you have to follow this one also. Okay. That is the thing. All right, then thank you.